पुलीस ड्रग्स माफिया नेक्सस केसींत डेव्हिड ड्रेहॅम उर्फ डुडूक फट आरोप घालून केसीन घुसपयलो हे आरोपावेल्यान 5 कॉन्स्टेबलांक सीबीआयन अटक केल्या. हे 5 कॉन्स्टेबल्स ड्रग्स विरोधी फाट्यांत आशिल्ले. हिरमय्या गुरैया, महाबळेश्वर सावंत, नागेश पार्सेकार, समीर वारखणकार आणि महादेव नायक ह्या 5 जाणांक बुधवारा सांजे अटक जाली. दक्षिण गोंय सत्र न्यायालयान जीसीए वटेन निकाल दिला. ही राज्याच्या क्रिकेटीच्या फुडारा खातीर एकदम बरी गजाल अशें जीसीएचो आदलो वेवस्थापकीय समितीचो वांगडी दोतोर शेखर साळकार म्हणटा. इतलें सगळें जावनय दयानंद नार्वेकार आपलो पराभव मान्य करिना ही हांसपा सारकी गजाल अशें साळकार म्हणटा. इतले मजगतीं जल्म तारखेच्या घोटाळ्या खातीर गणेशराज दयानंद नार्वेकाराचेर क्रिकेटीन 6 वर्सांची बंदी येवंक शकता अशें जीसीएतल्या सुत्रांक कडच्यान कळटा.
This judgment of the session court, it is very clear that GCA has got right to withdraw the election. Now under section 3 and so it endows committee with powers to all such other acts, that the power to postpone the election is implicit in the generalized rule which vests power in the association to do all the acts which are necessary. Only thing that you have to show your bona fide interest. The interest of the association or to safeguard the general welfare of the association. And this is very important sentence which the judge has said. It is needless to state that exercise of such power must be bona fide for proper purpose and not for collateral purpose. म्हणजे आपल्या हाज्या खातीर ते करूंक जायना. कंप्लेनी आयल्यो क्लबांचे की आपलें नांव आसा, थोड्यांची कंप्लेनी आयल्यो की आपलें नांव ना म्हणून. सो दे आर मिसिंग टू कंटेस्ट द इलेक्शन. तुका एक चान्स गेलो न्ही, एकदा इलेक्शन घेतलें की तुजो चान्स गेलो. पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ द इलेक्शन you get chance, everybody will get chance. म्हणजे जांकां आतां जाय जे म्हणटा की आमकां तेच इलेक्शन आसूं न्ही, also will get a chance if they are there in the list. Right. So postponement of the election does not harm the interests of anybody for that matter, which is very important. Election committee works at the instance of the managing committee. हांगा तितून बरयलां, these rules do not indicate that election committee can conduct election independently under its own authority. On the contrary, the rules indicate that the election committee is required to exercise powers delegated to the managing committee by the general body. This fact gives a prima facie indication that the committee is not an independent authority. Salkar म्हणटा की आपल्याक इन्फॉर्म केल्लें only on 21st when one of them have written that आपल्याक दुसऱ्या सराकडे मेळ्ळें, plus आमी in the paper we had given. So it is very important. She has said he was informed that cancellation. The statement cannot be believed. What court has said is very clear कि तुमकां by postponing election it is best for you also plus those who have missed also, because both will get chance, equal chance. While if you continue to have the same election process, all these people, almost 80 clubs who have not participated in the election will miss the opportunity, which will be really detrimental for them. So आता इतके सगळी जजमेंट हो आसून which is like म्हणजे क्लियर कट सांगला की हे इलेक्शन जाले ते फ्रॉड सगळे. It is not to be considered. Fresh election to be taken by the managing committee. तरी आमचे Mr. Narvekar still thinks that only he is the committee, and I don't know what he is trying to show people.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबराचित्रां हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.